Are you looking for an affordable website hosting solution that is optimized to host complex website and applications at lightning-fast speed? If your answer is yes, then you have come to the right place. My name is Bimber Williams, from Hostify.ng. It will be my pleasure to show you how to host your website with Nigeria's #1 hosting service provider. Before we continue, please note that you can always expand and watch this video in full screen by clicking on the full screen icon below. Let's get down to the business of today. To begin hosting your website with us, first, visit our website on your browser. Hover your mouse on Hosting, and then select WordPress Hosting. Preview the page to see all the features that the WordPress hosting can offer. It will cost you just 30,000 Naira now to get a WordPress hosting for your website. Click on the purchase plan to continue. Next, you need to search and register a domain for your website. If you want to transfer the domain to us, select this. If you already have a website, or a registered domain name, select this. And then, update your name servers to this. If your domain name has never been registered, and you intend to host a new website, select this. For the purpose of this tutorial, I am going to assume that you do not already have a domain name, and then, I will go ahead and show you how to search and register your domain name with us. When choosing a domain name for your business, it is always advisable to choose a name that relates to your business name and services. For instance, if you run a manufacturing company and your name is Dangote, you can choose domain names such as dangotegroup.com, dangotesugar.com, dangotecement.ng, dangotenigeria.com, etc. Now let's begin. Enter your choice domain name. Example: dangotegroup.com. After that, click on Continue. Of course, as expected, dangotegroup.com is unavailable. The domain is already in use by another company. Take a look at this. Our system has automatically suggested other domain names that may still be related to your business name and services. If you are still not comfortable with any of the domain names suggested by our system, you can continue to search until you find your perfect domain name. Please take note: if the domain name that you had submitted to us for your free website is no more available for registration, you can search and register a different domain name. And then, contact us via email to change the domain that is already in your profile with us to the new domain name that you are about to register. Since dangotegroup.com is already taken, let's try to register another domain name. Yes, dangoteltd.com is available, and we can continue to register it for the purpose of this tutorial. To continue to the next stage, scroll down and click on Continue. Please continue. It is recommended to select DNS management and email forwarding. Please continue. Please Review your order properly before checking out. Once you are done reviewing your order, click on the Checkout button to continue. Enter your personal information correctly. Make sure to fill all required fields correctly. Choose a strong password for your hosting control panel. How do you wish to pay for your web hosting? Would you prefer bank payment or transfer option? Or you would like to pay online, using your ATM card? For the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to pay for our hosting package, using online payment option. You must read and agree to our terms and conditions of service. Next, click on Complete Order, to be taken to the payment page. Please, cross-check your invoice before making payment, to be sure that you are not paying for something else, other than what you are supposed to pay for. Click on the Pay button above, to enter your card information, and to complete your order. Your payment will be processed via our payment partner, Paystack. Paystack is currently the safest and the most convenient online payment gateway, used by thousands of businesses and service providers in Nigeria. To make payment, enter the 16 digits number in front of your ATM card. Next, enter the card expiration date found in front of the card. And lastly, enter the 3 digits CVV code behind your card. Then, click on the Pay button to make payment. The page that you will see next, after clicking on the Pay button, will likely ask you to authorize the payment. The instruction that you will see will vary, depending on the bank that issued the card to you. Once the payment is received, your hosting account will automatically be configured, and then the login details will be sent to your registered email address. Apart from making payment with your ATM debit card, you can also choose one of the other options listed here. You can now be able to pay directly from your bank account. You can also be able to pay using the GTB Start 737 hash. Visa QR code is also available as a means of payment. If you encounter any error or problem when making payment online, please do not hesitate to contact us by sending an email to our billing department. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this tutorial. I hope you have been able to learn how to purchase a hosting plan for your WordPress website. Please note that you can always contact us at any time if you face any issue with your hosting account or with any of our other services. I hope to see you again some other time. For now, goodbye and remain blessed.